Hi, I'm Emily. Today was a big day, my first day at cooking school. Spaghetti. Yes, I finally did it. I signed up for a real cooking class. Not just watching YouTube and burning toast at home. The school is called Global Bites Cooking Academy, and it's in a beautiful old building. When I walked in, the smell. Oh wow, garlic, herbs, something sweet. Maybe cookies. There were 10 people in my class. All different ages. Some looked like chefs already. I looked like someone who came for the snacks. Our teacher's name was Chef Marco. He's from Italy and has this big smile and even bigger energy. He said, "Welcome to the adventure. Today, we travel to Thailand." Wait, travel? I didn't bring my passport. Just kidding, we were going to cook a Thai dish, pad Thai. We all got aprons. Mine was way too big. It made me feel like a toddler pretending to be on a cooking show. Still, I tied it up like a pro. Sort of. Chef Marco showed us all the ingredients. Rice noodles, shrimp, tofu, eggs, tamarind paste, bean sprouts, peanuts, lime. So many colors and smells. He made a joke, if you forget the lime, the dish will cry lemon loudly crying face. Okay Chef Marco, I see you. We chopped, we stirred, we dropped things. I may or may not have launched a peanut across the kitchen. It hit another student's apron. We both laughed like kids in a food fight. Who knew cooking could be so fun? When it was time to stir-fry everything, it got serious. The wok was hot. Like, don't mess up or it's toast kind of hot. I added the sauce. The smell was amazing. And guess what? I didn't burn anything. Well, except my tongue when I tasted it too early. Classic Emily. After about 30 minutes, we all sat down to eat our creations. My pad Thai looked beautiful orange, green, white, with crushed peanuts on top. I took the first bite and said, "Wow, did I make this?" I looked around. Everyone was smiling. The room was full of chatter, laughter, and proud faces. Chef Marco came by and tasted mine. He said, "Emily, this is delicious." I almost cried. I wanted to hug him. But I had peanut sauce on my hands. Before we left, he said, "Cooking is not just about food. It's about joy. And you, my students, brought joy today." Oh, Chef Marco is a poet. I walked home with a happy stomach and a happy heart. And maybe a new addiction to Thai food. That's all for today. Thanks for joining me on my first day at cooking school. Try talking about your own day in English. It's the best way to learn. See you next time. Maybe we'll cook something French. Baguette. Like, comment, and subscribe for more English practice.